What's up guys, this is Ayush here back with another video, and this time the video is about how to create a basic elegant logo for your YouTube channel or website. And in case you are a beginner and don't know much about Photoshop, then this video is for you. So that's being said, let's get started. First of all, open up Photoshop and create a new file. To create a new file, just go to File and select New, or you can use the shortcut Control N if you're using Windows, or you can use Command N if you're using Mac. Now select height and width as 800 by 800 in pixels and select background color as white. You can select height and width according to your need, and 800 by 800 is perfect for YouTube logo. Now to create a logo, just select custom shape tool and choose the shape that you want. I'm gonna go with this circle. Now while creating this shape, press and hold shift and create this to create a perfect circle. Now place this shape in the center of the canvas. Now select move tool and the shape, and once that is done, press Ctrl and A to get these alignment options and align it. Now press Ctrl D to deselect it. And guys, in case you want really good fonts, then you can visit this site 1001fonts.com to get custom fonts for your YouTube logo. And I use this site a lot, and this is a very good site. So yeah, that's it. To install any font, just click on download and install it on your device. I'm gonna go with this font called Loud Noise. Once you are satisfied with the color, just rasterize both the layers and merge them. To merge them, just select both the layers and right click on it and select merge layers. Now let's edit this circle shape. Now to give a 3D effect to this shape, just duplicate this layer and place the duplicated layer below the original layer, and then right click on it and then go to filters, go to blur and select Gaussian blur, and hit on OK and set it to 9 pixels and tap OK. Now select original layer and go to blending options and then edit it a bit. Now let's add some drop shadow effect. Now let's add a long shadow effect to it. To add a long shadow effect, just select the original layer and make a duplicate of it. Use shortcut Ctrl J to create a duplicate and place it below the original layer and then overlay it with black color. Now to create the shadow effect, just make sure to select move tool and select the duplicated layer that we have overlaid with black color, and now press Ctrl and J to make a duplicate of that layer, and then press arrow down key once and arrow left key once, and once that is done, press Ctrl and E to merge both the layers, and you have to keep repeating this step until you get a shadow effect. Once the shadow effect gets big enough, you don't need to use arrow keys anymore. You can use move tool to directly create the shadow quickly. To create this shadow effect quickly, just use shortcuts Ctrl J to duplicate the layer and then use the move tool to move the layer, and then press Ctrl E to merge the layers and repeat this process. Once that is done, place the shadow layer below the shape layer to give it a 3D effect. Now select shadow layer and go to blending options and then reduce its opacity. Now once that is done, select the text layer, go to blending option and drop a shadow to give it a 3D effect. And the logo is ready. So guys, that's it for this video. Please drop a like on this video and let me know whether you liked it or not. So yeah, that's it for this video. Bye guys, I will catch you in my next video.